Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I am your host, Mrs. M, and I just want to personally welcome you to our workshop, our disaster relief contract workshop. This is all about what we need to do in the next 3 days, beginning on Monday, to find an opportunity to learn where and what to say, to look at those pooled contracts I showed you. I am so excited. So, a couple of things you can do. You can make sure that you've downloaded the PDF that goes along with the workshop. We will be ready on Monday from 12 to 1. That's Eastern time. Tuesday from 12 to 1. That's Eastern time. And Wednesday from 7 p.m. evening to 8 Eastern time. These will be recorded. So your sessions, you can look at them again and again and again. And you've got a couple of other things that are along with the PDF. You're going to receive a swipe file on Monday. And that swipe file is going to have your elevator pitch that you can actually look at talking to subcontractors. There are a lot of opportunities. And you may want to be a sub instead of just only a prime. If you're looking at working with federal, then you want to maybe get a head start on looking at all the things you need to fill out that FEMA vendor profile. You will have all that information available to you. There will be a link in this particular email that you're receiving that takes you right to it. If you're looking at only doing state and local, no worries. You've got everything you need. We will cover everything you need to get started doing federal and state and local bids. I'm so excited. Now, the contract opportunities we're going to look at are going to be those that basically require no bidding. We're going to look at being subcontractors and also getting on to a lot of the pooled vendor lists and looking at doing some FEMA opportunities, which are sole source or sources sought. Those are the things we're going to really focus on, but I'll show you everything. So even after the training, you can continue to grow your business to what? Six figures and beyond. How? So I look forward to seeing you on Monday. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to us at support@cleaningcourses.com. That's KLENING courses.com, or give us a call at 407 and 982 8662. So that's 407 986 882. 407-986-8228. I couldn't remember my number because we've got several, but that's what we want to devote to that. So that's 407-986-8228 if you have any questions about the upcoming workshop. Other than that, I'll look forward to seeing you on this Monday. Have a fantastic weekend and be safe. Bye-bye.